a product artist, somewhere between an artist and a traditional industrial designer. We're here today at the Jewellery School in Birmingham to launch our collection of 3D printed gold artefacts to demonstrate to the UK jewellery industry the potential of 3D printing. Additive manufacture in metal allows you to create forms that would be virtually impossible to create by conventional means. So we've created a series of designs that exploit the freedoms of additive manufacture. Orbis is a latticework ring which allows the consumer to customize the design with gemstones of their choice in positions of their choice. Another piece is the collect bangle. The consumer brings in a piece of retired jewellery, so an heirloom, a family heirloom that's been trapped in the back of the cupboard that's not fashionable to wear yet precious to you. And we turn this into a contemporary piece by trapping elements of the jewellery in a contemporary design. And then we have Heartbeat. There would be a pop-up shop that you would go into, either yourself or yourself with your partner perhaps. You're given a small palm-sized sheet metal heart and a hammer. And you're able to distress this in any way you wish. They scan it, then make it hollow because the weight of material would make it impractical to do it as a solid piece. It's then 3D printed. There are some support structures that needs removing. It's then polished. The jewellery industry was one of the early adopters of additive technologies, using it in an indirect sense, so printing waxes and casting from those waxes. It's been a little bit more reluctant to adopt direct metal processes. All of the pieces in the collection were printed on the Cookson M080 machine, which is dedicated to production in 18 karat gold. When we started off, we were using a regular laser sintering machine, but this has lots of cavities and places where powder can get trapped and lost. Obviously, with the high value of gold powder, it's important to capture every speck of material. And the nice thing about the precious M080 is the fact this is designed specifically for gold. An important part of the project was working with Delcam. Delcam is a software provider that's working with designers on their part builder software, creating a new tool for part preparation, which hopefully in the future will be launched as a commercial package. For me, the future lies in digital design tools and the direct link between those and the artifact you get. 3D printing will reshape the landscape for the jewellery industry as designers get to grips with the capabilities of digital technologies and master the skills to harness them.